my fellow artists. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a method called informal perspective to help you draw realistic proportions and perspectives. Pay close attention and remember to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. When measuring angles, you hold your arms straight and your elbow locked. A pencil is held horizontally or vertically next to angled lines to visually observe the actual angles of the lines. It helps to close one eye. The observed angles is then drawn on paper. When measuring length, hold your arms straight, elbow locked and one eye closed. Hold the pencil horizontally or vertically and use your thumb as a placeholder to measure the width or height of one object. Keep your thumb in place and move your hand to compare your measurement to another area. Notice and draw the differences. When comparing widths, keep your arms straight and elbow locked, one eye closed if so preferred. Use your thumb as a placeholder and measure the width of one object. Without moving your thumb, move the pencil to compare the width of the measured object to the width of another object. In this example, you would draw the horizontal line for the top of the pink tin from where it touches the top of the yellow tin. The pink tin is a little bit wider. When comparing heights, keep your arms straight, elbow locked and one eye closed. Use your thumb to mark the height of the yellow tin and compare that measurement to the height of the pink tin. Draw the vertical line of the pink tin. It is about 2/3 of the height of the yellow tin. To double check, you can observe where the base of the pink tin is in comparison to the yellow tin. Let me demonstrate this to you. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and please stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye.